Welcome to another guided meditation. These are short, less than 10-minute meditations that I'm recording every week for you to find peace within yourself, for you to find that center, for you to find that space where you want to be in this moment. I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel. We at IgnitedNeurons are on this pure mission of touching 1 billion lives positively. And every time you click that subscribe button or share this video, you're helping us realize our mission. Before we begin with today's meditation, I want to share how in Bhagavad Gita, which is a discourse by Lord Krishna himself to Arjun, how he in the 6th chapter shares what meditation truly is. And in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna describes that meditation is a state when your mind becomes like that the flame of a candle, which is so static, so calm in a windless space. I know that is not easy to achieve all the time, but with practice, with regular coming back to it, you can absolutely achieve that. I really nudge you to take this link. इस वीडियो का लिंक आप सेव कर सकते हैं अपने व्हाट्सएप में या अपने लैपटॉप में कहीं भी, so that you can maybe every day spend these 7 to 10 minutes in coming back to that still place, coming back to that windless place for your mind, where yes, the thoughts will come in, yes, the thoughts will go out, but आप उस मोमेंट में बिल्कुल अनवेवरिंग है, आराम से एकदम शांत बैठे हैं, जहाँ एज अ थर्ड पर्सन आप विटनेस कर पा रहे हैं कि आपके जो थॉट्स हैं वो कैसे आ और जा रहे हैं. So if you're not driving, walking or running, I really request you to find a corner, a space in your house where you can sit undistracted for the next few minutes. I request you to gently close your eyes and start to focus on your breath. जैसे आप सांस ले रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन आपकी बॉडी में जा रहा है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर आ रहा है. This power of breath, this strength of your breath allows you to do such beautiful things on this planet. In this moment also, there will be many thoughts that are coming to your mind right now. बहुत से ऐसे थॉट्स होंगे जो भी यहीं रुकना चाहते हैं और कुछ ऐसे होंगे जो आगे जाना चाहते हैं. You don't have to embrace anything, you don't have to resist anything. You just continue to, as a third person, focus on your breath. One of the most important things about meditation is that your spine stays straight. It is very important that you have a straight spine. Straight spine allows the energy to flow from your brain to every part of your body, because your spine starts to act like a canal. एक ट्यूब की तरह काम करती है आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी, जिसमें से सारी जो एनर्जी है वो कम्युनिकेट हो सकती है, वो फ्लो हो सकती है. Let's take 30 seconds to settle ourselves, to continue focusing on our breath. Now, as you find your solid space, your center, I want you to start to visualize that there is a beautiful flame. एक मोमबत्ती है, कैंडल है, जो आपकी चेस्ट कैविटी में इस टाइम जल रही है. और उस मोमबत्ती की जो फ्लेम है वो एकदम स्टैटिक, एकदम शांत, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में है, बिल्कुल विंडलेस कंडीशंस में. It grows and glows beautifully, radiates all the warmth that there is. जैसे जैसे आप इस कैंडल की इस फ्लेम को फोकस कर रहे हैं, उसको नोट कर रहे हैं, it starts to grow on you. It starts to give you warmth, radiate energy, and give you strength right from within. इस कैंडल की प्रेजेंस को आप एंजॉय करें, उससे एनर्जी डिराइव करें, और कनेक्ट करें खुद से। Keep the focus on your breath, which goes in and out. Keep the focus on this beautiful flame that glows right within you. Unwavering, static, yet so bright, yet so beautiful. The thoughts that are coming to your mind, staying or leaving, are all secondary. You don't have to get involved with them because you're too busy with a smile on your face, focusing on that candle right within you, on that flame right within you. I want you to stay with it, enjoy it, and feel its strength. Whenever you're meditating, make sure that you do it with a smile on your face, with peace in your heart, and with the energy of gratitude surrounding you. Whenever you're ready, it is time for us to come back and go back to our lives. A little more mindful, a little more centered, and a little more living to our beautiful, authentic selves. Let's open our eyes and come back to the room. Thank you. It is always very calming to be with these meditations, be with you on these meditations. And I hope to listen from you as to how you feel about these weekend meditations that I've been doing for the last 4-5 weeks now. I'll put a link to the playlist up here so that you can look at other meditation videos as well. And comment section में आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि अगर कोई और meditation है या कोई और type की videos आप देखना चाहते हैं तो I'll be happy to share those. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Have a beautiful day, evening, night, week, wherever you're watching it, whenever you're watching it. Have a beautiful, mindfully present day ahead.